Welcome back, my YouTube family. See on a mission. Today's video is why New Hampshire? Well, it started with a conversation with a family member, and then the 2020 craziness happened. It opened my eyes to understand life is just too short. Also, I realized 3 things I needed to do: enjoy my life, do no harm to others, and follow my dreams. It's even better when your wants and dreams can benefit yourself, your family, and others. So I knew I loved the winter in Florida, and I wanted a place up north for the summer. So let me show you how I use the Trinity of Change. Here's 4 videos on that. Meditation is my thoughts. It helps me stay focused on my dreams. So meditation is a big thing for me. I do it every day. May as well say almost every day. And you have words. Now words, I journal every day. So I tend to write down my ideals, things that are going on during the day. And I've noticed as I get older, you tend to forget things. So journal is a good thing for those people who tend to forget things like me. So I journal, which helps me remember things. But that's my words. And the next thing you need is actions. This is where I think most of the people stop. I used to stop here. Actions. Actions is one of the most important parts of Trinity of Change. If this is truly something you want, your dreams and your want, you'll get in action. You gotta take steps towards your dreams and your wants. The magic happens when what you want and what your creator wants are in sync or in the right vibration. That's when you'll see your wants and dreams get answered effortlessly. It's beautiful. So, stay focused on your wants and your dreams. We were on a mad hunt for land up in New Hampshire. That was our action. We were on internet looking around, vacationing, which you see those vacation videos. We were on a hunt. That's your action. You gotta be passionate about your dreams. So fam, that's where we're at. We're in North New Hampshire. So fam, join me on my new, I'm going to call it journey series called Watch Me Build My Oasis. I'll see you in the next video, family. Peace.